How to make a simple light leak. Today's video is sponsored by the Sleepy Joe. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a background node in empty space and set it to some light color. Connect it to the merge as a foreground. Select the merge node and add a polygon mask. Draw a rough shape around one corner. Select all of the points and make them smooth. Increase the soft edge slider and the border width. Right-click to the center value and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab and increase the smoothness slider. Set the minimum slider to 0.42 and the maximum to 0.58. Select the merge node and change the apply mode to screen. Adjust the blend slider if you want. Add another merge node. Bring a transform node in empty space and connect your clip to this. Increase the size slider to your liking and connect it to the second merge as a foreground. Connect the polygon mask to this merge also. Select this second merge node and change the apply mode to screen. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you are free to go anywhere.